Hi, I'm Henrik Axelsson. I'm a partner in EY Copenhagen. I'm working with risk management and predictive analytics. I'm here to talk about predictive maintenance. So what is predictive maintenance? Well, maintenance is a concept everybody has had who have assets, physical assets. And traditionally, firms have been operating maintenance work based on the rules set by the equipment manufacturer. With the introduction of sensors, clients have been able to monitor real-time the condition of assets. So we have moved to what we now call condition-based maintenance. The future is predictive maintenance, where basically using the sensor data and the patterns we have seen in failure, we can predict failure going forward so that we can deploy our maintenance crews more effectively when something happens. Why is this interesting? Well, of course, any firm is interested in deferring capital expenditure for renewal of any asset, and also interested in reducing operating expenditure in terms of cost of maintenance crews and spare parts, inventories, and that sort of thing. Our experience suggests that we can reduce maintenance costs with up to 15%. We can reduce mechanical failure with up to 50%, and we can improve the overall productivity with up to 5%. How do we do this? Well, we try and understand the root cause of failure, and then using sensor-based data, we try to understand changes in sensor data, be it vibrations, temperature, motion, what have you, color, heat, and then we correlate it with failure. So if we have past history of failures, we can then see both linear and nonlinear correlations, and we can predict failure happening. We can then optimize the entire production environment and use the data models for more effective management. Where is it effective? Well, if we don't have data, we can't use it very well. We're still just predicting and modeling scenarios. But where we have frequency of data, meaning you have sensors or you have soft sensors, something where you can see or feel or hear or basically detect data changes, and we can correlate with failure, that's where it works. So that will be on the shop floor or where you have network infrastructure, trains, cars, what have you. Thank you.